Today I'll show you how to bring a dying snake plant back to life using simple, inexpensive ingredients you probably already have at home. This snake plant was in very poor condition. It had yellow leaves, weak roots, and almost no healthy growth. But with the right care, it made an amazing recovery. First, remove all rotten or damaged leaves to stop the spread of rot and help the plant focus its energy on healthy new growth. Then gently clean the surface of the soil and remove any dead or decaying plant material from the pot. Next, prepare a natural disinfecting solution by mixing 1 tablespoon of cinnamon powder with 500 milliliters of hot water. Let it steep for 1 hour. Strain it, then dilute it with another 500 milliliters of clean water. Use this solution to gently spray the leaves and lightly water the soil in the plant's pot to help reduce fungi and bacteria. After 3 days, make a gentle natural fertilizer by soaking 3 tablespoons of oats in 500 milliliters of hot water for 1 hour. Strain, dilute with another 500 milliliters of water, then use this fertilizer to water the soil in the plant's pot. You can also lightly spray the leaves if desired. After just 2 months, this once dying snake plant became healthy, lush, and full of vibrant new growth. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next gardening video.